Hi guys, Lens here. In this video I am going to show you how to fix your Samsung Galaxy phones very easy and fast. If your phone screen is stuck on the Samsung logo and it's not moving, so this is what you want to do. When your phone is powering up, you want to hold down the volume up button and also the power button. For the older version of Samsung phones with the home button, for the Samsung phones with the home button, you will need to hold down the home button along with the volume up and also the power button. For the newer versions of phones, all we need to hold down is the volume up and the power button. So we are going to do this right now. You can then release the power button, but keep holding the volume up. So we are now in the Android recovery mode, and what you want to do, you want to use the volume buttons to move around. So we want to go on wipe data factory reset. You click the home button to select and you navigate down to factory data reset. You click that. Now everything is formatted and data wipe complete. You want to reboot your system now. And as your system turns on, it may take some time for the phone to boot up depending on the Samsung phone that you have. Some phones may take some time. Some phones will just boot up fast, just like that. It says here that this operation can take up to 5 minutes to complete. So here we are, and all we have to do here is to set up the phone just like when you got it brand new. That's all you have to do here.